Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Gabe, and welcome to another episode, and thank you for over 200 subscribers. So today I'm in Siam Paragon. I'm gonna give you a little tour, okay? Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the Siam Paragon tour, and thank you for following me on social media, and thanks for over 200 subscribers. And I just want to let you know, when you help somebody, you help yourself. I'm boots on the ground over here, and if you see somebody, if you need to help them, you know, give them $1, give them some food, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so when you help somebody, you help yourself, okay guys? So I'm in Siam Paragon now, and just doing a little walk around, and I'm just gonna give you a little tour of what kind of shops they have here. So I'm starting off here on the 5th floor, and I'm gonna walk down and we're gonna pass by all the shops, okay? So I'm gonna do a quick little tour, and then you're gonna tell me if you like it or not, okay? Okay guys, so here's the video tour of Siam Paragon. Oops, wrong way. Gotta go down this way. Okay. Okay, so this is the escalator, and I'm going down to the 4th, okay? So I heard that all my friends are telling me that next month all the schools are gonna open, so that's good. So people can start, students can start learning and teachers can start teaching. Okay, so this is the 4th floor. There's an Oishi Grand over there. There's a Homo Sushi over here. Honmono Sushi. Oh, that was funny, I just said homo. When really I should have said homono. Okay, so let's walk over here. Let's see what they got over here. Food passage over here. Oh, this is a new restaurant. Kimura Don. Okay, that's a Japanese restaurant. Here we have some Thai artifacts. Thai, very antique and ancient furniture. Very expensive. Lu Kai Tong, Royal Cooking. Okay. A lot of restaurants are on the 5th floor, okay. But we'll go down one floor and check it out. Let's see what other shops they have downstairs, okay? There's a sushi den there. And then there's a bar and rice restaurant. Bun Tong Ki over here. Here's a spa at home, Mansopala. Food passage over here, Chabotan, Saboten. Okay, this was the 4th floor. Now let's go down. Let's go down one, okay? Let's go down to the 3rd floor, see what's down there. See what we can find. I like this song. Let me download it. Hey Siri, what's the name of this song? Sounds like Die For You by The Weeknd. Okay. Alright, this is the 3rd floor, St. Louis. Okay, we got some shops here. Now Paragon is pretty big, so there's so many shops here, a lot of things to do. It's pretty much where the rich people do their shopping. Now they open at 10, so there's not a lot of people here, okay? That seems to be a luxury furniture store. Seems like everybody's going to work right now, so not a lot of people here, but a lot of people come during lunchtime and then they come during dinner time, so there's going to be a lot more people here. It's usually packed. This is a Starbucks here. There'll be a lot more people here. All these tables will be filled with people. SCB Bank over here. Moncon Bin over here. UOB shop over there. True shop over there. Crepes Par Chewy. Southern Coffee. Baskin Robbins. 31 flavors. They used to have a branch at Central, but they closed down. I don't know why they always close down, but whatever. Maybe they don't sell that good. There's a Life shop here. They sell like electronics and hovers. There's a Banana IT shop over here. And that's the SCB Investment Center over there. And this is the True shop over here, as you can see. And you can go in here, you know, you can do your internet things and stuff like that. And then you can do your anything you want to do with IT, you know, drink a coffee, get onto 5G internet is right in there. Okay, and here's a Samsung shop over here. You can buy all your Samsung stuff there. Okay, this was the third floor. Let's go down to the second. I can't believe we made it to all these floors. It's amazing. That's a Kinokuniya shop. The Kinokuniya shop is a Japanese bookstore. It's very, very famous and very popular in Thailand. There's a Fitness First, Krungsi IMAX, and then the Paragon Cineplex is upstairs. Okay, guys. H&M shop there. Super Dry over there. Okay, now this is the second floor, and this is probably going to be the floor where I'm going to stop this video and finish the guided tour of Siam Paragon. Okay, now let's walk over here and we see some BMWs. $3 million baht for that. You get a free iPhone 12 if you buy one. Hey Siri, what's the name of this song? Reflection by Fifth Harmony. Great, I like that song. Camera shop and Bentley. 100 billion baht cars, guys. That'd blow your mind. Okay, guys, that's my guided tour of Siam Paragon. Thanks for enjoying me on this episode. And when you help somebody, you help yourself. So what I want to tell you is that I'm going to be doing a lot more videos of different places, okay? So follow me on social media, and I will be seeing you in the next one. And don't forget, if you see somebody in need, give them $1, give them some food, okay? And, yeah, congratulations to Biden, yeah, new president. So yeah, I'm not very political, guys, but anyways, I just want to shout out, okay? There's a Huawei shop right there, okay, and there's a Sony shop right over there. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting PlayStation 5 just to let you know. Okay, guys, take care of yourself. Love you. Digital edition, by the way. Bye bye.